Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. I'm one busy mama, also known as Bethany. If you hear any noise in the background, you guys know I have a toddler, so trying to film and trying to do this stuff. So one busy mama, right? Today we have Mindful Souls. I don't know why, it just gives me that vibe. All right, so this is for February. Share the love, and it is the month of love, although every month should be the month of love, right? Let's get into this box. If you're new and you've never seen a Mindful Souls subscription, it is $39 and some change, and it is a spiritual sort of box. So there are pieces in here, crystals, jewelry, all kinds of goodies in here. And you get 6 to 8 products. And let's see what we got for February. Also, I do this collaboration with Wellness with FrugalMama. I will leave her link down here in the description and in the comment section so you guys can go check out that video if you haven't already. All right. So, mindfulsouls.com. Hashtag Mindful Souls. This is what it looks like. So you do get a card. There are no prices on the card, but you get a lot of information on the card. So I will do my best to describe the pieces for you. With that, you get an affirmation card, and I have quite a few already. So let's see what it says. This is an affirmation for ownership. I can pick and choose what I want to do. Perfect. This is always, we should be picking our own destiny, path, whatever you want to call it. It's up to you. Okay. Then, I'm going to love this. You get a sticker. This is the Hamsa sign. It's a very traditional Buddhist sign, and you see it has the eye, and it is typically 2 palms like this. So I do love that. So let's put our affirmation over here, and as we're going through this, you let me know which is your favorite item. So they do come in little satchels like this, or sachets, pouches, whatever. But I like that they're very personalized there, or, you know, with the symbol. Okay, so what do I have? Ooh, look at this. Looks like a crescent moon necklace. All right, very long necklace, and you can actually change it out if you don't like it. But look at how pretty this is. So it says that it's a yellow apatite waning crescent necklace. It looks like it's supposed to be silver. So maybe they just come in different shapes. So the waning crescent moon symbolizes the end of old cycles and starting of new approaching ones. Very pretty. Detach yourself from the world and rest. It is a time to think things over and contemplate the things you should let go. Right? When we start the new year, we have these lists, goals, whatever that you want to call them. And we look forward to letting some things go, starting some new things. And even if it's not the new year, you can always do that, like starting next month or at the end of the week. So this is very pretty. Let's see, what else do we have? Here's the next little baggie. And again, if you haven't seen Wellness with FrugalMama, she does a way better job of describing a lot of these spiritual items and their meanings. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Look at this. You guys can see the ring light, but aside from that, just look at the details. Okay, so this is the Tiger's Eye Sphere. When fear enters our decision-making process, our choices get skewed. To see the path ahead clearly, improve your foresight with Tiger's Eye Sphere. Tiger's Eye's healing properties protect us from seeing the worst in ourselves. This is gorgeous. All right, and remember to always cleanse and energize your crystals as soon as you obtain them. Allow your crystals to sit under cool running tap water for 10 to 20 minutes. Even better if it's a natural spring water area, not a pool. Okay, next bag. Ooh, this is pretty too. Oh my gosh, look. Look at this color. This is a rose quartz bracelet. Think of self-care as a necessity rather than a luxury that you don't have time for. Will set you up for a happier and healthier life. Look at that. Super pretty, and it has like this little pendant thing here. Rose quartz brings the focus to how strong and powerful you are, regardless of what is happening with your body. It begs you to love yourself at every stage. That is beautiful. I'm seeing some, oh, I think I've seen this one before. Look at this. This is the clear quartz energy generator. So it's in the shape of a circle. Having an energy generator crystal in your space will help you to clear out negative energies, giving you peace of mind during your daily life. Clear quartz is a master healer. It amplifies the energy of crystals. It is placed near. Wow. That is really cool. And then look at the center one. Place energy generators in your home or workspace to protect, activate, or transmute energy. This is great. Like, put it on your desk. Awesome! Okay. Next, Blue Sage Lavender Smudge Stick. Guys, if you don't have one of these, I suggest getting one. Blue Sage has a mild floral aroma, so if you or someone you know finds strong smells overpowering, this might be your new favorite smudge stick. Lavender carries an energy of happiness and tranquility, making this stick perfect for when you are feeling stressed. This is great. But typically when you sage your house or the area or the room, you're trying to get rid of spirits or dead energy, maybe negative, evil energy. So a lot of times when you move into a new house or a new apartment or whatever, you might want to smudge it. You know, I do. Okay, this is a big guy. Ooh, look at that detail, guys. Just look at the detail. This is the moss agate. Moss agate carries a strong connection with nature, mending its healing and nurturing energy to you. Look at that. I just love how the roughness of it. Associated with the heart chakra, moss agate also helps facilitate the release of old habits and fears to inspire growth. This is a perfect one to have for those New Year resolutions and just creating that forward thinking energy to get you on the right path, stay on the right path. It teaches us to appreciate and enjoy each moment we have with Earth. Set an intention for healing the planet. Look at how beautiful that is. So you got like some deep blue and greens and purples in there. Very, very pretty. Okay, so we did get, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items this time. And what do you guys think? Here's the card. All right, I think it was a great box. Always something new, something changing. I love how this generator can be used to get rid of energies or help energize your crystals. So that's really awesome. The sage, I will definitely be using this sometime in the future. But let me know, guys, down below what you thought was your favorite. If you like this subscription box, let me know as well. And if you're new here, make sure you comment down below, subscribe, like, do all that great, good stuff for me. It helps the channel and pushes us out there. And that's where we want to go, out into the universe of YouTube, so everybody can enjoy. Okay, anyway, so again, go check out Wellness with FrugalMama. This is one of our premieres, collaborations that we do together. So I would like if you go check out and see what she got, because I'll be there checking it out as well. So with that, stay safe, guys.